In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to create a project in Replit. By the end, you'll know how to start a project, use the built-in chat to scaffold a web app on the free plan, and share your work with collaborators. First, open your browser and go to replit.com. If you already have an account, log in. If not, you can quickly create one so your work is saved to the cloud. You'll land on your workspace where you can manage projects and start new ones. Replit runs entirely in the browser, so there's nothing to install. On the free plan, you can still create a web app using the AI chat box. Look for the chat interface in the workspace. Type a clear prompt describing what you want to build, like create a simple landing page with a header, a hero section, and a contact form. The more specific you are about layout, colors, and features, the better the initial result. You can mention technologies you prefer, such as plain HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, or a lightweight server if you need one. Below the chat, you'll see options to pick the platform or template you want to use. Choose the stack that fits your app. Common choices include HTML, CSS, JS, Node.js, Python with Flask, or a React template. When you've selected the best match, click Start. Replit will generate the project structure and set up the environment for you. Give it a moment to install dependencies if needed. Once your project is created, you'll be taken inside the editor. On the left, you'll find your files. In the center is the code editor. And at the bottom or right, you'll see the console and preview. Click Run to start your app. A preview panel will open so you can see changes as you work. Replit autosaves, but it's still a good habit to test frequently as you edit. If you want to make changes using the chatbot, open the chat panel on the left side and describe what you'd like to update, such as change the background color to a dark theme, or add a navigation bar that sticks to the top. Review the suggestions, apply them, and run the project again to confirm everything looks right. You can also fine-tune code manually at any time. When you're ready to collaborate, click Invite near the top of the editor. You can generate a link and choose permissions so others can view or edit your project. Only share